Hello, my name is Kurt, and this is part 2 of installing applications in our Ubuntu 2404 LTS desktop. Now, before we continue, this part, or part 2 of this installation, will cover applications being installed such as Wireshark, Zenmap, most people know as Nmap on Windows, Draw.io, Visual Studio Code, IDE, a couple other things, and the 3 browsers that I use on Ubuntu. As you can see right here, we have Firefox, Chrome, and Edge. These, of course, are not in our package manager. We're going to have to download those separately. So in part 1, we left off where I was about ready to install those 2 browsers. So let's continue on with that section of the install of application. We want to download some browsers. Right. I have a total of 3 browsers on my setup. Firefox. I prefer the ducks, but there's no duck for Linux. When I'm on a Windows PC, I prefer to use the duck. Firefox is good. Now, some people might argue Opera, and there's a few other ones, but you can get Opera here too. Let's see, you got it. There it is. So you can download Opera. You can't download Edge from here. Nope. Now you can download Chromium, but not Chrome browser. Let's see. Yeah, this is the open source Chromium browser, whatever. Open source Chrome browser, but I don't use that one either. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our beloved Firefox, new window. We wait. And let's go to download Chrome. We'll go here. We want to download. I want 60, so I'm running Ubuntu or Debian. Ubuntu is based on Debian, and you have Fedora and OpenSUSE, which I believe is based on a Red Hat derivative. I don't know. Could be totally wrong on that. But again, these 2 are great desktops for Linux. Ubuntu and Mate or Linux Mint are good. Ubuntu probably being the largest. And there's also something called Arch Linux, which is, I've never used it, but it seems to be popular. A little difficult to install, so they say. So let's go ahead and select this because we're on Ubuntu. We're going to accept and install. To download. Get Chrome for your phone. Let's see, is it still downloading? It's completed. So now, where did it go? Go to Exploder. Bring this mother humper down here. Downloads. And there it is. So, there's a couple ways we can install this. You can see one way, open up with the App Center. The other way is you can go on the command line and install it that way. But we're going to right mouse click and hit App Center. And it's saying because it wasn't in the App Center store or something like that, but we know it's safe. But not from data collection. You know, right here we got what? One of the top 5 data collecting companies in the world. The next one we're going to go after is we're going to install is Edge from Microsoft. Put some great data collecting companies on our PC. And of course, like always, we're going to wait. It says it's installed. Let's take a look. Oh, there it is. No. Doesn't matter if you uncheck this. Shit's being sent anyway. Then we hit OK. I'm not going to sign in right away. And got it. There we have it. And let's pin that to our dash. Move it. Let's get rid of that. Now let's go to Edge. Look at that, open up faster because the Chrome was open. Let's go to down. Oops. Mother poop. Let's see what we do here. Let's do that. Windows, not Android. I gotta go do it another way. Oh my God, the horrors. See, right here. So you have your Fedora, Red Hat, and then you have our Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Mate, all those. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna accept. We're gonna watch it. Ooh. Close. That. Exploda. Downloads. Edge. Right mouse click. Open App Center. Bring here. We don't care. Install. Install. Password again. Hit enter. And we wait. On my laptop, everything's much faster. That's not my company's laptop, my personal laptop. Oh, look, it's installed. Close that out, hit the circle. Non-trash. Hit the circle thingy. There it is. Edge. Yeah, up yours. Welcome to Microsoft. We collect all data. That's accepted. Help Microsoft make products, but yeah, doesn't matter. Just get the stuff back anyway. Let's do focus. Hit confirm. So you can sign into your account later, which I will do. But what we have to do? We have to find it. I'm going to pin it. I'm going to slide it there. So all of them are together. And now we're going to close this down. All right, so we got to install one more thing here. Remember what I install here. Go to circle thingy. No, we don't need to go to circle thingy. Let's go to App Store. And we need a IDE. So like OBS Studio. There we go. That's what we want. It's not exactly the latest one, but it'll do. It's actually pretty good. I like it. All right, so let's go to terminal. There's a whole bunch of different terminals you can install other than this one here. Let's see. So Python is automatically installed, which you can see. All right. So there you have it. We do have Perl. Of course, we have Bash. All right. And you also have default for a terminal editor. Yeah, people like to use Vim, which is this VI on steroids. Right? So I prefer VI. That's what I prefer on here. You can guess, show my age. VI. So it's a good thing. People like Nano. See, we have Nano installed on this. I'm not a fan of Nano. Yeah, I got Nano. I don't know about Nano, but that's okay. We're done there. So what do we have here? Oh, we didn't, we gotta pin it. Well, I don't have to open it up to pin it. You can click on it, right mouse click, and pin the dash. Let's move this over to there. And there we got it. Okay, let's install a couple networking tools. First one is going to be Zenmap. Let's go to terminal. So we want to do sudo apt install Zenmap. And let's go ahead and do that. And it's done. Over here. Ooh. Let's run out of root. Pin the dash. What happens when we run this? Let's do a new window. So just so we can access. There we go. Zenmap. Okay. Bye. Next, we want to install Wireshark. I'm going to do it from command line. What Wiresharks do we have? Wireshark Common. What is it? So here it does not have our interfaces in here. So we got to add it to our group, add a good group or something like that. So user, let's try it. Mod. Let's see if that works. All right. Now, I wonder if we got a reboot. Well, let's just see here. Ooh, don't like spinny things. Something's running in the background. Yeah, this one is. New window. We still don't have our interfaces, right? So I think we're going to have to reboot to get our interfaces shown up there. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so we're back here. We're rebooted. Let's go to that. Let's just pin this to dash. Hit the escape key. There it is. New. And now we have our, where's my interface right here? So we're going to start. So we see. Ooh, let's open up a terminal. New window. Look at that, see? Coming from there. Cool. All right, that seems to be working. Quit without saving. Now, there's one other thing I want to put on here. Something similar to Visio. It's called diagrams.net or Draw.io. Pretty cool tool. So we're going to go to our handy dandy browser. Then we're going to go to something once it opens up, if it ever opens up. So let's go to diagrams.net or Draw.io. No. There's the command we might be able to run. Let's see what happens there. This is interesting. So I'm going to do a reboot from here. It just does. It's sudo, but first let me kill my. All right, so we're back. Let's go to show app thingy, and right mouse click on this crap. Let's see if the thing starts up. No, I'm just gonna. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Definitely not buy a new PC. Do something else. Maybe I'll reinstall with a -F or fix the installation. You can do that. All right. Let's see if this now will work. How many draw IOs we have here? If it doesn't, it's gonna piss me off because this was working on, well, Ubuntu. But I'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Let's double check something here. Okay, so there's draw IO. It wasn't installed yet. Okay. Window. So now I want to, I'm going to remove this package. Do a purge. Let's see now how this works. There we go. Got to get the name right. Okay, we can double check this. Let's see what happens when we do remove. Should be all gone. Oh. All right, let's go ahead and exit out of this torture and go to our beloved App Center. Type in keyword draw. Hit that, and let's hit this install. and typed in this. The light went out. Put it back on. And let's watch it install. You see, maybe this time here it'll work. All right, let's see. All that trouble. Frickin' works. All right, let's just hit cancel and log out of here. Go back to that and let's do a pin. And let's move this down here. Move right there. Move right there. All right, we're gonna hit escape. Now, there's one thing that I'm sure people are gonna be saying down in the comments is, why did it take me so long to install this next item? See, we have Tweak. Did I spell that right? Gnome Tweak. There we go. Gnome Tweaks. This allows you to tweak your Windows and desktop a little more, or gives you more features you can use to screw up your desktop or make it more to your liking, I guess. I don't think I really use it, but we'll take a quick look at it. I have to get installed. All right, we have it here. So we're going to go to the circles thingy, and we're going to look for Tweak. Tweak. Oh, it's got to be one of these things here. GW. There it is. Tweak. Change fonts. Appearance. Ooh, cursor. I want that. Yeah. Red. Now you can see it better. Like that. So you can add icon packages, mouse packages, and all that. You can change your icons. You can add more too. We can Google that if you want to. We have a bunch of stuff here. Good sound. Change sounds. Mouse, no clip, keyboard, Windows. Stuff you can do to the Windows and stuff like that. You can flip this stuff to the other side. And I have nothing that's starting up. Well, you can add a startup application. But why? So Tweaks. Gnome Tweak. Good tool if you want to mess around with your Windows and stuff like that. Anything else? No, just leave a comment down and below if you think I missed something. So there you have it. That's basically what I use most of the time. Not all the time. We can get rid of this help. I don't need that help there. So with that, I hope everyone has a healthy and happy day. Until the next video, goodbye.